Well, you'll find when you get that pop on whenever they throw their punches or their kicks, this is typically from the heavier weight uniforms. Typically, uniforms can go from a 7-ounce uniform to a 10 to a 12 to a 14. So, what you find this snap and the kicks and the hits, that noise that you hear is actually the heavyweight cotton, and so that does make it snap and make a noise. You will find blends of cotton, cotton polyester. So there are a lot of different blends and different weights of cotton, and it depends on what discipline or martial art that you're in, depending on the weight of the cotton that you would use.